Hey John, this is Jessica with Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today. I know you were in a rush and in a hurry, so I apologize for that. But I am really glad that you requested this video because I'm about to show you a few tips that you can apply right away so that you can start getting more of that organic traffic and organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website. You have a nicely designed website. It looks like you have separate pages for every single one of your services, which is perfect, exactly what you want to have. Um, we have a little bit of content. Okay, some more content. When it comes to ranking a website, content is key. So you need a lot of content. You need more than your top competitors. Looks like service area. So looks like you have 2 pages. Um, so for your service areas, you do need a separate page for every single one of these um, service areas if they have any search volume for any of the services that you have. So you'll need it not just for water damage, but for all the services that you provide. Um, let's see. Okay. So good. So you do have some content. Content is good. As I mentioned, content is key to ranking your website. Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Looks like you might be pretty close to that. Um, but you do need more content than your top competitors in every single one of your services and service areas. Google wants the minimum of 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And so your content does need to be built around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of the company, but they do know the service they need. And in an emergency situation, they're probably not even going to care um, who they're calling as long as they can get somebody out to their property right away. So focusing on those buyer intent keywords are going to be important, not just for your homepage, but all of your back pages and service area pages as well. You need those content built around keywords that are location based. So different content on every single page, as well as going after those keywords. Now, one of your top competitors is St. Louis Cleaning and Restoration. Their website isn't great. They do go ahead and have it a separate page for every service. Um, they do have content. They do have more local buyer intent keyword usage and repetition. You do need repetition with keywords for indexing. Um, just at glance, I can't tell if they have more content than you, but you do need to make sure that you have more than your top competitors, as I mentioned before. And these guys are kind of missing the boat because they do not have service area pages. And so there's a ton of search volume in the service areas. And so not having those service area pages, you're going to miss out on a lot of volume and a lot of customers. This is a program called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. You have a rating of a 1.1 for your domain rating, which is your website as a whole, and Google's trust flow, which means they don't trust you, not you, your website. They don't trust your website based upon your referring domains and backlinks. You have over 100 backlinks and a 1.1 rating, which tells you that a lot of these backlinks are either poor quality backlinks, they're not, they are no follows, or they're completely unrelated to your business. So backlinks are critical, but you need to make sure that you have high authority backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. So you need more backlinks than your competitors in every one of your services and service areas, and not just more, but more quality, better quality. You're currently being indexed for over 100 keywords, but you're only seeing 3 people to your website per month on average. Whereas if we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 16 with over 700 backlinks. They're being indexed for over 400 keywords, and they're seeing over 300 people to their website a month. So that just goes to show you the type of volume you're missing out on. 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So you do need to have it optimized with your content, keywords, and backlinks so that you're capturing that traffic. Your backlinks, you only have 43 that are do follows. So only 43 that are relevant to even helping rank your website. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to it. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your services, the more authority and power it's going to give you. And when they are do follows, they will also share the power of those high ranking sites with you and help you rank faster. And then you need to make sure that you're tying your backlinks to your keywords. So that way you can rank for those keywords and be found for those services in each of your service areas. And then this is the Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for your major keywords and service areas because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed here, you're sending all of those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are factors that come into play, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business and address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Instagram, Facebook, Yellow Pages, etc. And so you need a lot more of those than your top competitors in each of your service areas. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relevant keywords and service area keywords. We hope you found this video useful and would love to get some feedback. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.